Though the song का title says Vilayati Sharab, if you see inside there's no vulgar liquor, nothing about alcohol. Both the stories, the themes I'm touching of living, infidelity, loyalty are more layered, complex topics. I really hope you recover soon and you'll be able to dance. I'm glad you really enjoyed the Vilayati Sharab. I'm going to actually now take my dance classes more seriously and then work harder and then one more better song coming up. Hi everyone, this is Alu Sirish here and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
So, Sirish, we have taken a few comments from the YouTube link of Vilayati Sharab. Let's see what people have been commenting on the YouTube link. This is Rajneesh Gupta. Mesmerizing performance feels like transported to another world.
Wow. Oh, wow. Okay.
This is Akash Bari. This song is perfect for Holi, wedding, garba, concerts, parties, and for every occasion.
We were expecting, the team was expecting that we release it before Holi and Holi and then the marriage season is coming up. This could be that party number. Though the song ka title says Vilayati Sharab, if you see inside there's no vulgar liquor, nothing about alcohol. We didn't show alcohol anywhere. It's just like a poetic phrase. There's no alcohol in the song. It's a clean song because Darshan's fans are all young kids. So I don't think he wants to push or promote anything like that in his song.
All right, this is Ali Hazri. I came here after watching Shehnaz's reel and what a pleasant surprise to watch Alu Sirish. Loved his performance.
Thank you, bro. So sweet of you. I'm glad you liked it. I'm so happy.
This is Sami Naruwal. Alu Garu, what a performance. I love you. Waiting for your next film. Please do a Hindi film.
Thank you very much. If something really good comes by, I hope to do it. And I hope you'll like that work that day. I'll work really hard to entertain you guys.
So tell us something about your forthcoming ventures in South.
So I'm doing this love story. It's not titled yet. I finished 80% of the shoot. It stars me and Anu Manuel, the coming of age love story, being directed by Rakesh Shashi, and he's a one-film-old director. That's there. And there's something else which is in the 11th hour of signing contract. That's why I can't talk about it. It will be a love story here, very coming of age. I would say path-breaking, honest, raw story, touching a topic which not many love stories have gone there. A theme. Love stories, usually boy, girl, have a ego clash, break up, fight, and get back. That's the usual theme. But in both the stories, the themes I'm touching of living, infidelity, loyalty are more layered, complex topics. So I'm having these two interesting love stories I'm coming up with. I hope the audience really like it.
Right, this is Ashim Sarode, Darshan's voice plus Alu Sirish's dance. Perfect blockbuster combo. Alu's dance reminded me of Ranveer Singh's dance.
Whoa, bro. That is quite a comment because he's one of the most energetic and amazing dancers of Bollywood. I'm sure he's being sweet to me, the guy who commented, but thanks a lot. I will, you know what? I'm going to actually now take my dance classes more seriously and then work harder and then one more better song coming up.
That's great.
Inshallah, whenever that happens.
That's great. This is Anjana Kamath. Wow, waiting for Alu Sirish and Allu Arjun to do reel on this song. Want to see both brothers dancing on Hindi song. Oh. So possibility of doing a reel with Allu Arjun?
He'll eat me alive in that reel. I don't want to dance beside him. I'm okay. Sharing screen space, dancing beside him. I don't think even I'll watch. My eyeball only will be tilting this way. But I really hope it happens. I'll ask him and see. Actually, good idea. As you see, fans want it now. Come dance.
This is Pulkit Srivastava. Only bad thing about this song is that make me dance like anything, but I can't because my leg is hurting due to accident. Beautiful performance, Alu Garu. Please do a Bollywood film.
I really hope you recover soon and you'll be able to dance. I'm glad you really enjoyed the Vilayati Sharab. Like I said, when the right opportunity is presented to me by life, I will take it up and I hope whatever you're saying comes through soon.
This is Neha Mahanik. I was searching for a good song to dance at my brother's wedding. Finally, I got this. I'm gonna make my brother dance like Alu Sirish.
Oh, Neha, please do that and tag me. I want to see what you make your brother do, and I'm sure he'll do really well. Today, I posted a reel where I simplified the hook step. So if you feel the one in the video has too much jumping and all that, see the reel.
This is Vinay Mete. This song reminds me of Shah Rukh Khan's Ishq Kameena from Shakti. What a dhamaka it is. Superb lyrics, music and dance. Allu's styling is same like SRK in that song.
It's in a blur. You've seen the comments yourself, right? Like if somebody is telling all this to you, how will a guy process it? It's sinking in. I didn't sleep for 2 hours yesterday night. I was just reading almost 1,000, 2,000 comments, and I'm like, is this real? Is this real? Because some level of fame, stardom in Telugu cinema, I knew I will have it from the time I decided to be an actor. But Hindi film audience saying this about me and ABCD doing well, it's I don't know. It's sinking in. I don't know if you can see from my face. I'm overwhelmed. It's crazy. I don't know. Something I lucked out in life.
Okay, this is Imran DJ. Wow, now waiting for Allu Shirish's entry in Bollywood. I love his dance. He will kill it here as well.
Bro, touch wood. If I'm doing the pakka dance number, I'll ask for my director. And like guys said, I'll rehearse 10 days this time and I'll do a more dhamaka song. Hi everyone, this is Allu Sirish here and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.